Look at your name. That's very good, Jessica. And the pretty picture of a princess. Wow. How old are you, Jessica?
I'm 2.
You're 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you write a 2 on your paper?
Okay.
How do you write a 2?
2, 3, 2, 6, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
After 3, 6, 9, 10. 9, 6, 9, 10. Pink. I saw.
Okay, I'm looking at your paper. Wow. Can you draw me a face?
Face.
Yeah, a face.
Face, Mom.